What if the first great enemy Rome ever crushed was its own mother city? A city that shared its blood, its gods, its founding legend. This isn't a story of distant barbarians. It's the moment Rome looked at its closest kin and chose destruction over equality. Peace had kept Rome alive, but only war would make it an empire. In the early 7th century BC, Rome was still small and fragile. Its second king, Numa Pompilius, ruled for over 40 years in complete peace. No wars, no conquests. He built temples, created the religious calendar, established priesthoods, and turned a warrior town into a civilized state. Rome grew stable, pious, respected, but it did not grow powerful. Its soldiers trained, yet never marched. And many Romans began to wonder, is survival enough? When Numa died of old age, the Romans chose a very different leader, Tullus Hostilius, a king who despised inactivity. He rebuilt the army, restored strict discipline, and declared that Rome's destiny lay in strength, not prayer alone. Under Tullus, Rome stopped waiting and started demanding leadership. Just south of Rome stood Alba Longa, the older proud city that Roman tradition called their mother. Legend said Rome itself had been founded by descendants of Alban kings. Both cities led groups of Latin towns. Both claimed the right to command the others. War between them would bleed both sides dry, so they chose a deadlier shortcut. 3 champion brothers from Rome, the Horatii. 3 champion brothers from Alba Longa, the Curiatii. 6 men would fight in place of 2 armies. Kin against kin. Family against family. The battle was fierce. 2 Horatii fell. All 3 Curiatii were wounded. The last Roman, Publius Horatius, used cunning to separate them and cut them down one by one. Rome won. Leadership of the Latin cities now belonged to Rome. Alba Longa submitted. Its people became Roman subjects. But submission didn't last. When the Alban leader later wavered in loyalty, Tullus acted decisively. Alba Longa was destroyed. Its buildings razed. Its citizens moved to Rome, absorbed, not enslaved. A rival that shared Rome's origin could not be allowed to exist. One origin, one leader, one future. Rome grew larger and stronger than ever, but success brought plague and famine. Tradition says Tullus, in his focus on war, neglected the sacred rites Numa had established. The gods, Romans believed, sent lightning. That struck the king and burned his house. The warrior who had revived Rome died in fire. Tullus Hostilius reigned only about 30 years, but he changed Rome forever.